नहीं,
But
I welcome your all your moves. That's
capable
okay.
of
But my
delivering result within the 4 walls existing.
what I wanted to say was that whatever we do, either in change in law or change in technology or using technology, it is the human being who will be using it. My idea in sharing whatever I said was that we have people in every stream, in every section of the society who have to be, or at the micro level, they have to change. Shastri ji just now said, hello, am I audible? Hey, am I audible now? Am I audible?
Yeah, I can hear
Hello?
you.
Yeah,
I can hear you. I can hear you.
Yeah. Now, my intention was not pitching one institution against the other. My idea was that there is a degradation of values everywhere in the society. Whether it is the political executive, whether it is the judiciary, whether it is the police, whether it is the press, journalists, we everywhere there is even in the teaching community. The thing is that we must build a system where we can ensure that the advantages of obeying law outweigh the disadvantages of not obeying it. If we can provide something of that sort, as you are trying through this system, then law will be properly obeyed. That was my contention. I am not trying to pitch one institution against the other. I don't have any such intention. I was
yes, sir. We got you, sir. Yes, sir. Definitely. Thank you.
I was misunderstood by Shastri ji. There is no intention of pitching one institution against the other. Yeah. I often say that we are living in a society where leaders have become dealers, where lawyers are becoming liars, doctors are becoming dacoits, and teachers are becoming cheaters. Because there is a degradation of values in every wing of the society. Now, how to bring out that transformation? That is a big challenge. That is
प्रेम जी जो है ना आपने जो बातें कही हैं, we have taken it in a very right spirit and we welcome it. And what we intend to say कि system within law के तहत जो है, it will be in position to help each section of the society.
एकदम यही. That is what I appreciate.
लॉयर को मदद करेगा, वो जज को मदद करेगा, सबको मदद करेगा. तो हम उसको नेगेटिवली इंटरप्रेट करने की बजाय लेट्स ट्राई टू इंटरप्रेट इट पॉजिटिवली.
एकदम.
पीयूष जी हमारे साथ एक गेस्ट और थे, उनको आपने अभी तक मौका नहीं दिया है. आई थिंक ही शुड गेट दैट अपॉर्चुनिटी. he was from a political party. I request he should be brought here. Admin, please help to bring him because it is not good. He did not get any opportunity. He must get opportunity to speak. Admin, please bring Mr. Bisal. Because he is the person who has not spoken even a word. And I am feeling guilty that probably he has not given opportunity. So I really sincerely apologize. And I request that please come forward. And admin. Whether Mr. Bisal is still available?
Admin, are you there, admin?
You give in the comment box whether he is available. If he is available, I request that he should be requested to come here. Our team has invited him, and I am feeling really sincerely apologetic that he has not been given opportunity so far. And I beg pardon from on behalf of my team. If possible, please contact him and bring him over here. He should ask at least one question, and he should have the full sense of participation. Otherwise, somewhere I will feel that I am failing in my duty. Admin, please give him a telephonic call and
I think he's some technical issue.
Okay, maybe some technical issue. So if the
I think he's some technical issue.
Okay, so if there is no other question, probably we can consider of closing it because it is already 2 hours and 23 minutes. So if there's any question, you are welcome to do that. And let the nodal officer, Mr. Piyush, please join, because without you, how that it will be, session will not be concluded.
I have one question.
Please.
Is there any concrete plan to go ahead with this reforms which you are suggesting? At least any pilot project which you are planning?
Let me elaborate on it. Basically, we were working on a national police mission, GRP help app, and investigation support system. This crime-free Bharat is offshoot of that national mission, because that was dedicated for railway crime. We thought and people requested us कि साहब जो है आप तो रेलवे क्राइम की अकेली बात करते हैं, क्योंकि आप बिजी रेलवे रहे हैं, और what about the other crime? So then we thought a bigger picture कि क्या करना चाहिए, and we came out with the this crime-free Bharat through automated investigation support system with the 21 technology, integrating whole population, all experts, and each section of the society. Now, in 2019, this has been recognized as a national police mission. So now it is a national police mission. And basically, today's discussion was intended on a peer group review. It was the peer group review of this mission only. And Mr. Piyush Dwivedi, in beginning, he has tried to give little details. And basically, what I was expecting from my guests, they should read the document, and if they can integrate their experience and peer group review, then discussion would be little more holistic. But nothing doing. It was a very meaningful discussion. So what I intend to say, it is a recognized national police mission by the Government of India through BP and R&D. I have written a book, Crime Free India, Crime Free Bharat, that will be published through the BP and R&D. We are working with the 47 universities, 3-4 universities, they are already in pipeline. So very soon we will be crossing a mark of 50 universities. And you must be knowing that from 1st to 3rd of August, there is a Smart India Hackathon. So our mission is there with the tall problem statement. So almost 250 or odd जो है national engineering college and IITs, they have participated. 65 were shortlisted in the second round, and now the grand finale is there from the 1st to 3rd of August. So lot of things and lot of nut bolts they have been already created. All are being they are being created. We are not being satisfied with the one version. So even when it is delivering results, we are working for its refinement through the version 2, version 3, version 4. So there's a detailed project monitoring tool which is working with us to help us to monitor. Because I am single-handedly handling so many universities, it is mind-boggling. Sometimes I forget कि मैंने किसको क्या काम दिया. So you can really understand and appreciate my situation. So
is this supported by Government of India? It is supported by Government of India.
It is a national police mission, duly recognized. अभी Government of India का support तो हम तब कहेंगे जब हमने basically I had written a DO letter to PS of Honorable Prime Minister. I had written a DO letter to PS of Honorable Home Minister, and requesting, I attached all my presentation and all the documents, including National Police Mission document, and I said that I am having something which will change the face and fate of this country. This is my presentation.
Good.
Give me 15 minutes time. Now it is more than a year. I am still waiting for appointment. क्योंकि हमारे माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी, आप यदि उनको बच्चे का भी कुछ आ जाता है तो उसको बुला लेते हैं. हम भी जो है कि हमारे माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी, माननीय गृह मंत्री जी अमित जी हमको जरूर बुलाएंगे. और डीजी ने यदि कोई इतने बड़ा काम ऑलरेडी कर लिया है जिसमें कि सरकार का पैसा भी खर्च नहीं होना है और सिस्टम आ जाएगा. We just need the blessing of these two individuals, Honorable Prime Minister श्री नरेंद्र मोदी एंड ऑनरेबल होम मिनिस्टर श्री अमित शाह।
Very good. No, we are hopeful. We are very hopeful because it should attract.
और I am
it should attract their attention.
Further revised your letter, making them request again कि साहब जो है इतना हो गया है, please give me 15 minute time. I had requested my director IB also कि आप मुझे DGs conference में बुलाइए so that I can make presentation before all DGs. हम जो है DGs से लेके सभी को invite कर रहे हैं धीरे-धीरे इस प्रोग्राम में कि देखिए यदि हम ऐसा कुछ बात कह रहे हैं जो कि आपको लग रहा है कि पैलेटेबल नहीं है, डुएबल नहीं है, हम सही ही बता रहे हैं, तो आप मुझे चुनौती दीजिए। आप अदरवाइज भी जुड़िए समझने के लिए कि कैसे हो रहा है, तो आप जुड़ेंगे चाहे ऐसे या वैसे, इसमें फायदा है। नंबर 2, हम इसको जो है ना जन आंदोलन बनाने के बहुत जोर से मूड में हैं, तो हमने इसमें एक स्कीम चलाई थी कि 1:5 हर व्यक्ति अपने सर्कल के क्लोज 5 लोगों को जो है ना रिक्वेस्ट करे और वो इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और वो अपने 5 और उसके 5 और उसके 5 ऐसे हमें 130 करोड़ लोगों को, सभी पूरे पॉपुलेशन को जोड़ना है और उन्हें अपने सेल्फिश रीजन के कारण भी जोड़ना चाहिए। जब हम उनको 4-4 स्ट्रीम दे रहे हैं तो उनको स्ट्रीम तब तक तो नहीं मिलेगी जब तक वो इससे जुड़ेंगे नहीं। तो बाकी चीजों को छोड़ दें, राष्ट्रभक्ति, देशभक्ति, क्राइम फ्री भारत को सबको किनारे कर दें, केवल अपने व्यक्तिगत हित के लिए 4 रेवेन्यू स्ट्रीम पाने के लिए ही भी हमारा अनुरोध है कि कृपया जुड़िए। इसमें आपका भला ही भला है। क्राइम फ्री भारत तो मुफ्त में मिलेगा, एक बटन दबाओगे तो सरकार को 1,30,000 करोड़ का रेवेन्यू मिलेगा। आगे चल के हम जो है इनकम टैक्स और बाकी टैक्सेस को भी चाहे तो बंद कर देंगे, इतना रेवेन्यू जो है ये दिस विल बी क्रिएटेड।
That's a great idea. Great idea. Very good.